Hey, what's up everyone? We continue with the RSI videos. We made one video before that, so if you guys haven't watched it and you want to learn more about the RSI indicator, go ahead and check it out, and then you can come back and watch this video. But in today's video, we actually are gonna be showing you how we are using the RSI indicator and how are we taking trades based on it. As I said before, we never take a trade based on just one indicator or just based on one thing on our chart. As you can see, we have our moving averages, which this is part of our strategy, so we always have them on our chart. We have the 50 period moving average and the 30 period moving average, but in this video I'm not gonna be talking about them. You guys should already know how we use them in our strategy, or if you haven't watched any of our videos, you can check in our channel and then learn more about them. But now I'm gonna add the RSI indicator into our chart. And you can see we are always using the 14 period RSI. We talked in the previous one, we don't really use lower than 14. If we scalp, we have other things we use, or this is basically the one we use. And now, as you can see, I'm gonna draw here a zone that we are focusing on. As you can see, the price breakthrough already this zone. We didn't really enter a trade here, so we are gonna be waiting. Right now we can take a trade because based on our strategy, we always try to trade when those moving averages are closer to the price, and right now they're pretty far away. So let's wait and see. I'm gonna be forwarding the videos, guys. And as you can see here, the price moved back up. You can see how it break through this zone. Actually, it made a nice retest where there was a opportunity here which we didn't take, but it was quite risky. Even if we decided to take this trade here, we were gonna go with a small trade, definitely, because it was pretty risky and we didn't even take this one. But what are we gonna be waiting here for? Basically, we're gonna be waiting for the price to close under the 50 period moving average, and then we're gonna be entering. Why we gonna do that? We already said about the moving averages, but then there is a divergence. Basically, this is how we use RSI indicator. I'm gonna put a trend line on the indicator, and also I'm gonna do the same thing on the chart, on the price. And what divergence is, we talk in other videos, but I'm gonna say that basically what does that mean is the price and the indicator, they're mirrored. Basically, they're opposite. As you can see, the price is making lower lows, lower highs, and on the indicator we see a higher high. Basically, that's what divergence is, and it is a really powerful tool. But as you can see, we have our things in our direction. But when you use RCI, it's good to use it combined with some other things, and with divergence. This is how we use it. Actually, we always like to see a divergence when we use the RSI, and you can see that actually the RSI indicator, it's not above the 70, but that's not always going to be the case. When the price is going to be above 70 or under 30, you can still take these trades. They're of course little riskier. As you can see here, we're not going to go with a really big trade here, because, and the reason for that is just because the previous low is really close, and also I'm sorry, we are near the yellow moving average, which is warning for us that that's not the best case scenario for us to open a trade. We're here a few hours later. And because by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, we are looking at the euro Australian dollar, and we are on a 1 hour chart. So I'm forwarding the video. We actually are placing our trade. You see, we open the position. We already set our stop loss and take profit. And you can notice something. Our stop loss is really tight stop loss here. And the take profit, we try to go 3-1. And again, the most powerful thing in our direction is the divergence. So basically that what made us, take this trade. And like I said, I'm not gonna go like really deep into the divergence, because we talk about this in other videos, guys. But I really hope you understand the base how basically RSI works, and the trend lines. So it just you can never rely on just one thing. You saw the divergence. We have the divergence. This is how it looks like. Basically try to memorize them, because once you learn how to recognize them on a chart, you don't even gonna have to draw these trend lines or those lines, or you're just gonna be able to catch it with your eye, and you can see those zones, and it's gonna be simple for you after a while. But as I said, we set our stop loss pretty tight, because it's a risky trade. As you can see, the previous bottom, it's really close to us. The moving average was about to be broken. It didn't broke, so that's why we didn't really take a big size trade. But let's see what's gonna happen with the price. And as you can see, we almost got our take profit hit. It's so close, really close actually. But like you can see, we moved our stop loss on profit. That's what we do, and probably I'm getting annoying with that, but guys, move your stop loss on profit if you can. This is the most important thing for trading. If you're not losing, you're not gonna blow up your account, so that's gonna keep you longer in the game. And sometimes, yeah, you're gonna get your stop loss hit, but you're not gonna be on the losing part. But talking about again the divergence and RCI, basically there's not a lot to be said about the RCI. It's a really simple indicator, but at the same time very powerful if you know how to use it. This is with every tool you have. You should know how to use the tools that you have in your hands. And RSI, it's literally some of the really simplest indicators ever. But don't just trade when it's above 70 or when it's under 30. You can actually do something else. You can actually change those levels, the 70 and the 30. There is some traders that they use the 80 and 20 zones, and that way they have more reliable signals. They're gonna get less signals, but they're gonna be more valuable. And I'm gonna just do that for you real quick, just so you can see for yourself. But we personally like to use the 70 and 30, but 80 and 20 are good as well. So you're gonna see for yourself what works best for you, what kind of trader you are, what fits more into your personality. If you want to trade long term, or you want to be an intraday trader. So this is pretty much it for this indicator. I hope we covered, you know, everything. And if you guys you know, didn't understand anything, or you know, you want some additional information, go ahead and you know, ask your questions in the comment section below. Because we may miss something. I may miss something that you know, to cover. But you know, there is no stupid questions, just so you know that it's better to ask rather than, you know, not ask a question and then pay with your money because you didn't ask. And by the way, everything you say, you have to question, not just us. Anything, you know, there is a lot of people, there is a lot of opinions. Something that might work for us, it might not work for you. So always question everybody and everything, and find out for yourself, is that the right thing to do for me? Because that's the most important thing. Like I said, something that works for me, it might not work for you, but doesn't mean that I'm wrong or you're wrong. It just, that's how trading is. There is no bad strategy as well. You know, there is just stupid traders and there is smart traders that they learn how to use properly their strategies. But that was for the video, guys. I really hope that we are, you know, showing you some value in those videos. I really hope we help you understand how, you know, the trading works and particular indicators. Like I said, if you had some questions, please you know, comment in the section below. Like our video if you saw something that you know, it's valuable for you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because that really helps us, you know, to continue and make more videos. And if you guys want us to make a video on particular topic that you're interested in, just let us know in the comments, and we definitely do that for you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.